In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Grok AI remember your conversations. By the end, you'll have Grok set up to personalize responses based on your past chats, preferences, and recurring topics, so every interaction feels more tailored and helpful. Start by opening your Grok account. Launch Grok in your browser or the app, and make sure you're signed in so your settings are saved to your profile. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the main menu icon on the left sidebar. Click that icon to open the navigation panel where you can access your app settings. Next, select Settings. This is where Grok keeps all the controls that affect how it behaves and how your data is handled. Inside Settings, scroll down through the options at a steady pace. Don't worry if you see a lot of sections. We're heading to the one that specifically manages privacy and personalization. Keep scrolling until you reach Data Controls. Click Data Controls to open that section. This area is designed to give you transparent control over what Grok can use to improve your experience. It's the right place to enable memory in a way that aligns with your preferences. Now find the option labeled Personalize with Memories. You'll see a toggle next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. When it's on, Grok can remember helpful details from your conversations, like your preferred formats, topics you revisit, or context you don't want to repeat every time. This makes follow-up questions smoother and lets Grok build on what you've already discussed. A few tips to get the most out of this setting. If you ever decide you want a clean slate, come back to this same Data Controls section to review or adjust what Grok remembers. You're always in control, and you can switch the toggle off at any time if you prefer not to use memory. Also, be mindful of what you share in chats if it's highly sensitive. Memory is meant for convenience and personalization, not for storing private credentials or confidential information. If you don't see the Personalize with Memories option right away, make sure you're on the latest version of Grok and viewing your main account settings. That's the entire setup. Open your Grok account, click the icon on the left to open the menu, go into Settings, scroll down, open Data Controls, and turn on Personalize with Memories. With that done, your future conversations can pick up right where you left off, saving you time and making Grok more helpful every day. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Grok experience.